Are you ready for a world where machines think? Imagine a future filled with AI agents. They can help us in countless ways. Let's explore the future of AI agents together. AI agents are software programs. They simulate human-like thinking and behavior. They can learn, adapt, and react to our needs. This ability opens up new possibilities. First, AI agents understand tasks. They can follow instructions accurately. Imagine asking your AI assistant to schedule meetings or order groceries. It saves you valuable time. Next, they gather information swiftly. AI agents can analyze vast data. For example, they summarize articles and offer relevant insights. This boosts productivity and decision-making. Then, they personalize experiences. An AI agent can study your preferences. It suggests music, movies, or even books tailored to you. It makes your life more enjoyable. Moreover, they improve communication. AI agents can translate languages instantly. They bridge gaps between cultures and facilitate understanding. Imagine speaking to anyone, anywhere, without barriers. Let's talk about safety and ethics. AI agents must operate responsibly. Developers prioritize ethics in their design. Users must remain informed about AI's capabilities and limitations. Picture a future where your AI agent works seamlessly. It connects with other smart devices at home. Together, they create a harmonious living environment, enhancing comfort and convenience. Real-world examples show us this progress. Look at virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. They help millions in their daily tasks. Now, imagine these agents evolving further, beyond our current capabilities. In summary, AI agents will reshape our lives. They will work alongside us, increasing efficiency. They learn our preferences, making tasks simpler. Our future looks bright with this technology. What's next for you? Explore AI agents further.